Did you know you can add a shutdown button directly on your iPhone screen? You can see here's my shutdown button. I can press it and it says, are you sure you want to shut down your phone? Just tap the red shutdown and it will power off your phone. I'll show you exactly how to create that. The first thing you're going to do is take your finger and swipe down and type in shortcuts and open up the default shortcuts app here. Now I'm going to delete out the old example and walk you through the exact steps to create it again. Tap the plus at the top right, and then next to new shortcut, tap on the little drop down arrow. First, tap on rename at the top and rename this to shut down and hit the check mark. The next thing we're going to do is tap the drop down arrow again and then tap on choose icon. In my case, I usually set this to red. And for the symbol, I'm just going to tap on search and search for the power symbol and tap on that. Of course, you can choose whatever symbol you want and whatever name you want. Now, after we've done that, we've selected that power symbol, just swipe down and then tap on search actions. From here, just search for shut down and tap on that. Now on here, you can tap on shutdown and you can modify this. Instead of shutting your phone down, you could choose restart and then it could be a restart button instead. Up to you. Now, after we've done that, let's add this to your home screen. To do that, tap on the drop down arrow at the top right and then tap on add to home screen. And then we'll tap on add. Just like that, if we hop out of here you can see is my two different ones. I can just tap on it. And again, it says, are you sure you want to shut down your phone? Just tap on shut down and it will turn your phone completely off just with a tap of a button. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.